everyone, my name is Jordan and I am the head seamstress at Beyond Fig Leaves Sewing and Alterations. Now, in addition to all of the sewing and alteration services that we provide to you, our clients, we also like to create fun things to sell in our Etsy shop and in our lobby here at our production house. Now, this particular item that I'm going to show you is one that I've been personally just so excited about for the last couple of years. And I've been working on it and I finally have it ready. It's already for sale in our Etsy shop, but I want to show you how to use it. So come with me. So without further ado, this is the first ever in the world 3D pop-up table runner. Now this specifically is the parting of the Red Sea table runner. Obviously it's not open yet, but that's what this video is for. So if you decide to order this table runner, this is how it will come to you. It's closed and then it's tied with several sets of ribbon ties. Now depending on how long you decide, we have 3 different sizes. We have 30 inches long, 50 inches long, and 80 inches long. Now depending on the length, there will be more or less of the ribbon ties, but this is the smallest size since that's what fits on this table here in our kitchen. So this is how you open it up. It's very simple, but there are several steps you have to do in order to get it to lay right. So the first step is to untie the ribbons. In this case, for the 30 inch, there's only 2. So then, yeah, it's already starting to explode. So then what you do is you take one wall and you flip it, there's 2 sections here, just like this, and flip it like that, just like that, and then you do the other side, just like that. So when you flip it and you're not sure exactly how it's supposed to be, once you see this little triangle hut here, it's perfect. And once you have those ridges ready to go and standing up, it's perfect. So what you do with all of the walls of water in between is this. It's chiffon fabric, so what you do is you just peel it back. And if you have a dinner event planned, you can have your guests in on the fun too. They can help peel it back. Peel chiffon back, and then you reveal the inside. There's a lot of fabrics, that's why. There we go. There we go. So that is the 3D pop-up table runner. It's a lot of fun. The middle fabric is matzah or unleavened bread fabric, which is used in Passover celebrations. It's the unleavened cracker that Hebrews and Jews will eat to celebrate the Exodus out of Egypt. And right in and around Passover was when the parting of the Red Sea happened. So this specifically, it's geared toward Passover Seder meals, but it's not a requirement. You can have it for fun too, and teaching your kids all about the parting of the Red Sea. And yeah, I'm just so proud of this project. I've been wanting to do this for years, and I finally I'm like, I'm going to do this. So it was such a blast to make, and that's how you open it up. It's very simple, and get your guests in on it and your kids too, and they will absolutely love it. So if you want to add a touch of whimsy to your table runner and Seder layout, what I would recommend is getting little figurines, specifically Egyptian and Hebrew, to really bring together the parting of the Red Sea scene. So we have little soldiers here. Okay. And then this horseman here. And this one is my personal favorite, an Egyptian chariot. This one is absolutely a blast. I found it on eBay, and really hard, even as an adult, to not play with it myself. Close it up, do exactly the opposite of how you did open it. You just shove all of the chiffon in, and then try and get it to lay as flat as you can so you don't have to steam it when you take it back out later. Just fold one over the other, and then fold up that first wall, and then bring it down, and gently press it down. Take the wall down, flip it up, and then over the chiffon walls of water, tie the ribbons however you want to. You don't need a lot to keep this closed, actually, just a simple regular bow tie not is fine. And then put it in storage. I mean, try to keep it as flat as possible. And you probably don't have that much drawer space, but if you do, great. And because to fold it up, you can press it when it comes out. It's just a little more hassle. So that is the tutorial for how to open and close your 3D table runner. Now, I personally haven't seen anything like this anywhere as far as 3D, and you get your guests and kids involved and something this fun. Because usually table runners just put down on the table and you admire it or you don't. And in this case, this one is just so much fun. I love playing with it. I love opening it and closing it, and yeah, this has been a very long journey for me to make, and I'm very excited to share it with all of you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message us. We have our contact information in the description below. But until next time, have a great day.